Good morning, children. Today we shall learn about properties related to division of integers, specifically the closure and the commutative property. Now let's divide the two integers. What is minus 8 divided by 4 equal to? Or what is minus 3 divided by minus 6 equal to? Let us see. Minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. Here 8 divided by 4 and putting the negative sign we get minus 2. Next minus 3 divided by minus 6. Let's put it as a fraction. This is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 6. We can reduce this fraction and it becomes minus gets cancelled and 3 2s are 6. So the answer here is 1 by 2. Now here we see minus 2 is the integer, but 1 by 2 is not an integer. It is a fraction. So what do we see? The answer is not always an integer in case of division. This means the closure property does not hold true for division of integers. When we divide two integers, we will not always get an integer as the answer. Now let's see another examples. Minus 9 divided by minus 3. What is it equal to? Now let's divide the other way. Minus 3 divided by minus 9. Are these two same? Let us see. Minus 9 divided by minus 3. Now 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we know when we divide a negative integer by negative integer, the answer is a positive integer. So here the answer is 3. Next, if we divide minus 3 by minus 9. Let's represent it as a fraction. Minus 3 divided by minus 9. Now we can simplify this fraction. 3 3s are 9 and minus gets cancelled. So this becomes equal to 1 by 3. So what do we see? The answer is not the same in both the cases, which means the commutative property does not hold true for the division of integers. While dividing the two integers, the order of division alters the result. Hence, minus 9 divided by 3 is not same as 3 divided by minus 9. So let's revise what we learned today. First, the closure property does not hold true for the division of integers. So, when we divide two integers, we will not always get an integer. Like minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. Here the answer was an integer which is minus 2. But when we divide minus 3 divided by minus 6, what do we get? We get answer as 1 by 2, which is a fraction, not an integer. Next, we also saw that commutative property does not hold true for the division of integers. Hence, while dividing the two integers, the order of division alters the result. And hence, minus 9 divided by 3 is not same as 3 divided by minus 9. That's all for now. Bye bye, children.